Do you want to hear a ghost story, bro?
Good morning. As you can tell, we had some heavy winds and stuff come through. We had some rain and knocked down our trees. I need to build some planters for that. But I think today I'm going to try something different. The weather is super nice today. It's I have no clue what the temperature really is, but it feels awesome. And so I don't want to be inside. I don't want to be in the barn. I want to be outside. So I'm thinking of doing something cool. I didn't want to do the same old let's go feed the animals routine, so I figured I'd do something a little different. So let's go out in the yard. As you saw yesterday, I was picking weeds from here in the driveway and stuff. I love this Texas, but it's a pain in the butt because all the weeds. So I'm gonna turn this into a pond, and Jared has no idea yet. I didn't even tell Jaylena. So I'm gonna dig this up and let's turn this thing into a pond.
I want to put the sleep down. You can go later. See differently.
Something's got to go here. Oh, those.
I think.
Yeah. Oh, they can just go over there.
Ah, okay.
Maybe. This one.
This end's got to go higher.
Like that.
Nope, that's it.
If I can get this open. Here.
Cool.
This is
Very cool.
pretty similar to ours. That way you can just get your eggs from the back.
Oh, okay. They are. They got numbers and everything.
Probably longer ones, I assume.
Deep.
Oh, yeah.
Aha. You're right. You must have lava. Okay. That's a good guess because I can't get to the hole with that.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So we just have to.
If you'll hold it down like that. Cool. All right. Awesome. We got it down to the easy part, so that's good.
Oh yeah. I'm telling you, you would have had on. You would have been drinking tonight if you had to put this thing in
Heavily. Now there's little pegs that the holes line up with
Okay.
to hold it up there.
I just don't have a clue which way.
Out of the way, so that we have more room. And 8 is over this. I don't even see those numbers.
Love
What buddy? Then there's little screens. Which numbers on that?
5? Is that what it is? Or 6? 9? I don't know. It's right here.
Well, there's only one left. Just double check. Oh, we didn't put numbers on every one of them because we figured one left. No. I will trim it out. It should be the same weight, right?
You would think.
This is fun.
Like a giant hardware puzzle.
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, where'd it hold? There it is. There was a bird doo-doo and a hole, and I almost put it in the bird doo-doo instead of the hole. Okay, guys, we made it out here without killing you. Back here too.
I mean, yeah, you can put that for now, but because I mean they're not gonna be laying anytime soon.
No, no,
And so-
Freddie. Okay, Rhonda. If you want to, I'll hand them to you.
That's delicious.
Oh, just the baby.
Eh.
Is that the last
I
one?
think that was all of them.
All the ducks are huddled in the corner over there.
We gotta get some.
We have two back here.
You could probably just put it down on the, like in the corner.
Oh, we see.
And you could prop this up.
They can work for it.
Now they're all set.
Wow. Heat lamps, chicken coop. How do you like your new condo, little chickies?
Howard Farms has stepped it up a notch.
No joke. From the garage to the coop.
So you guys, we are going to call it a day. It was a long day, as you guys saw. We worked on the pond all day and helped Tom and Rhonda move their chicken tractor and set it up. It was so fun to see all the chickens and the ducks. Like, some of their chickens are so huge, and their ducks, their 2 ducks are so big. It's crazy. But I'm in my PJs. I'm ready for bed. We got another long day tomorrow of working on the pond. We can't wait to show you guys how that's gonna turn out and what we have planned for it. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as always. Thank you guys so much, and we will see you tomorrow.